Hello, beautiful people. I am back. Today, I am going to speak about narcissism or NPD, which is Narcissistic Personality Disorder. Do you know what it is? Well, I didn't know anything about it till it was too late and I had reached a point of no return in my life. Hence, I want to do this video, or rather series of it, for those of you who are experiencing this but not understanding at all what this is, so that you still have time to save your precious years. You must be living with one of these, or working with them, or be kids to them, or relatives or friends to such a person, but never even realize so far. Okay, so let's begin with what is narcissism or a narcissist. Well, a person who has an excessive interest in or admiration of themselves is called a narcissist. And what is NPD? It's a disorder in which a person has an inflated sense of self-importance. So what are the key traits of such a person who is having NPD? 1. Lack of empathy is the key defining characteristic of a narc. 2. Manipulative, interpersonal, exploitative behavior. They will use anyone or everyone for gaining something. Treat them as pawns on chessboard. Preoccupation with fantasies of unlimited success, power, brilliance, beauty, or ideal love. 4. Belief that they are special and should associate themselves only with high status people. 5. Need for excessive admiration. 6. Sense of entitlement. 7. Envy for everybody else who has something which they feel they don't have. Next, demonstration of arrogant behavior or attitude. 9. They are pathological liars. They will lie about almost everything. Even for very small little things they will lie. 10. They are emotionally unavailable. 11. They get bored very easily. 12. Projection. Project their feelings onto the other person. Let me explain this point a little bit more. Example. Suppose you have a narc partner. You are waiting, dressed to go out with him. And you are happy. But he is in a bad mood due to something. When he sees the happy you, he just can't digest it. So out of the blue, he will say or do something that he is sure is your soft spot or weak spot. Then suddenly you become unhappy or sad, and that gives them some kind of saddest pleasure, as after this they start feeling good. 13. They are actually always insecure and unhappy from inside. 14. They feel entitled. 15. They play into our vulnerabilities and weaknesses. 16. Gaslighting. Again, I will explain this concept a little bit more. So this is a really dangerous form of emotional abuse, my friends. This involves denying a person's experience and saying things like, this never happened, you are too sensitive, you are very insecure. So damage of this is that it is so confusing that it often results in you questioning or self-doubting yourself, and you may end up constantly apologizing for something you've not even done. They just eat away your sanity, self-confidence, sense of yourself. 17. They never take responsibility. They are master deflectors and try to avoid the blame with lying, cheating, anything. When your partner never takes a responsibility for anything, words, actions, or feelings, it is impossible to maintain that relationship. 18. Silent treatment. Again, I need to explain this concept a bit. So this is the most powerful technique of emotional abuse narcissists use. They will treat you like you don't even exist, not for days, but sometimes even for months, just because you caught their lie or called out who they are, or you are seemingly very confident and happy with your life. They just can't digest any of it. They have a never satisfying need for validation from others. They need to be put on a pedestal by at least one person in their life, if not many, to make them feel worthwhile. And lastly, my friends, infidelity. Sadly, due to their personality, it will inevitably lead to habitual act of betrayal. They will cheat as their need for admiration and novelty is so vast that they are wired to be unfaithful. Their affairs are characterized by excitement, flattery, and superficial grandiosity. They may keep a steady relationship with one person, and cultivate other needs outside the relationship throughout the years, and you would never probably even come to know about it. That's all for today, my friends. Take care. See you later. Bye.